John is in cave 50 feet below the cave entrance. He descends 15 feet, then ascends 24 feet. Find his new position relative to the cave entrance. So first, we have given that he is in cave 50 feet below the cave entrance. That's why we have to write negative sign before 50, because he is below the cave entrance. Next, he descends. So we have to subtract 15. He goes down. Next, he ascends. So he goes up 24. So we have to add 24. So now we have to just do this operation. We start from the left side. Negative 50, we have minus 15. We can rewrite this, that this is like addition of two negative integers. So we have negative 50 plus negative 15, and 24 we just copy. So this is equal. We remember that when we have to add two integers with the same signs, we just copy the sign as negative and we add these two integers. We have 50 plus 15 plus 24 we rewrite. Negative sign we rewrite. 50 plus 15 is 65 plus 24. Next, we have addition of two integers with different signs, negative and positive. So first we check which of these two numbers is greater. 65 is greater than 24. So we copy the sign before the greater number. It's negative. And now we just subtract in parentheses from the greater number smaller. So this is equal. Negative sign we rewrite. 65 minus 24 is 41. So, because we have negative 41, it means he's still below the cave entrance 41 feet. So, we can write that he is 41 feet below the cave entrance. This is my solution.